T-Mobile's call forwarding capabilities have been significantly enhanced in 2025 following the completion of the Sprint network integration. The carrier now operates on a unified 5G network that delivers more reliable call forwarding services. The standard call forwarding codes remain consistent with GSM standards, making them familiar and easy to use. These codes work by dialing specific sequences on your phone's keypad. Let's explore the 5 main types of call forwarding. First is unconditional call forwarding, which redirects all incoming calls immediately to another number. Forward when busy redirects calls only when your line is already in use. This ensures callers can still reach you through an alternative number when you're on another call. Forward when no answer activates after your phone rings for a set period without being answered. This is perfect for ensuring important calls don't go to voicemail. Forward when unreachable works when your phone is turned off, out of coverage, or otherwise unreachable by the network. This ensures you never miss important calls, even when your phone is unavailable. Forward all calls is a comprehensive option that combines all the previous forwarding types into one simple command. This is the most convenient option for complete call redirection. You can check the status of your call forwarding settings at any time using these simple status codes. Each forwarding type has its own status check command. T-Mobile has introduced several advanced features in 2025. Smart Forwarding uses AI to learn your patterns and automatically route calls. Conditional time-based forwarding allows automatic forwarding based on schedules and time zones. T-Mobile is revolutionizing call forwarding by integrating it with voice-over Internet Protocol services and moving toward cloud-based management systems. This allows users to configure forwarding rules through web portals and mobile apps instead of just dial codes. With 5G network maturity, T-Mobile is developing ultra-low latency forwarding with delays under 50 milliseconds, AI-powered call screening based on caller identification, and extended video call forwarding across compatible devices. T-Mobile is expanding enterprise call forwarding with advanced PBX integration for better compatibility with business phone systems, detailed analytics and reporting for business customers, and enhanced compliance features for regulated industries. Real-world implementations show impressive results. A consulting firm improved client response times by 35% using conditional forwarding during remote work. A healthcare network reduced emergency response times by 12 minutes using sequential call forwarding. A retail chain achieved 24/7 customer support with a 40% reduction in missed calls using time-based forwarding. Best practices include always testing forwarding before relying on it, avoiding forwarding loops, monitoring costs for international or premium numbers, and regularly updating forwarding numbers. T-Mobile has implemented enhanced security measures, including verification requirements, fraud detection, and encryption for forwarding configuration data.